Hello, and welcome back to this channel. Today's gonna be a super fun video piece. Today's gonna be another informational plant tour. Especially today, there's a lot to talk about because today's been one of the biggest days we've had in a very long time. So just a lot of stuff to talk about. It is pretty late, so there's only one section with the grow light still on. But yeah, so before we do go ahead and start today's video, please subscribe, hit the notification on all so you not miss our video, and please like this video. Let's go ahead and start today's video. Aquaponics. First thing is, we've done a massive just transformation with the fish tank today. We've been really working on water quality. That's been one of the big goals today. So just check out the water. It is insanely, incredibly clear. So that is some big news right there. We've also moved some of the electrical stuff. So a lot of this stuff isn't really on the water level anymore. So that is exciting. Then just plant-wise, a lot of the lettuce is starting to thrive. Basil, cilantro, parsley, oak leaf, grand lettuce, butter crunch, and then over here we have tango, and the tango lettuce is actually doing just absolutely incredible. The roots aren't going to look as good right now because it is darker and the plants are starting to go more towards their night type of thing. So we have red ruby lettuce right there. We also have gourmet mixture and salable mixture. It'll also significantly help now that now that the shelves are really starting to thrive and now the water's a lot more clean. Something else that is also really cool is we've actually been doing a lot of work with this, but if you look at the light is actually slowly starting to dim down. So if you kind of focus on it, it's just kind of imitating the sun right now. So all the fish kind of slowly go into just night shift thing, I guess. But we've also done a lot of work with the fish tank today. It is backwards currently, but we're gluing the bottom to it. And then later tonight, I'm gonna go ahead and glue the other side to it. We are using more toxic glue, but the thing is, when the glue is still wet, it is toxic to the fish. Once it is dried, it doesn't at all. So that is good. And I did make sure to do a lot of research while I was at the store to make sure that was true. And for the most part, it is. If it's not, and the fish end up dying, then I'm going to be talking to some people about that recommendation, but I don't think the moss will live after how long it's kind of been out of water, so that is a little bit disappointing, but yeah. So I also went to Lowe's earlier today, and I got a lot more seeds. So ton of flowers. Now, especially with us being in March now, there's a lot of stock. I'm going to start germinating, and it's just going to be a really full greenhouse now. I also ended up getting a lot more stuff. So I have onions, garlic, and then a ton of these plants. And then also over here, we actually got a lot more strawberry plants. And just check out the root structure on that. That is absolutely incredible. I am going to be doing a lot of planting. I'm just going to be planting those like crazy later tonight. But I'm just going to do it off camera because it's going to take a very long time. The light is almost off too, so that's pretty cool. Going over to this section, we've done so much work with this today. First thing is, we actually took out all the oregano plants. Also, if you guys want to check out the two videos we posted earlier today, please do check those out. I'd really appreciate it if you would. But the broccoli plant is now right here, so that is exciting. We also have the mustard and dill plant. Going all the way down here, we have all the strawberries and all the lettuce that for some reason is not germinating. Over here we have our fancy variety of strawberries I'm slowly germinating also. And then going down, I have strawberries that I actually got from real strawberries. Same thing with the blueberries. I also have two different types of flowers I'm working with, and these will be fully grown in here and thrown away once they're done. So we have California poppy seeds. We also have cosmos. Then the bunching onions are starting to do really well, and rosemary is doing absolutely incredible. This shelf is extremely full. We have basil, cilantro, oregano, and parsley, and then a ton of strawberry, 3 strawberry plants right there. And then we have daisies and celery back there. Over here, we actually just planted this actually about 2 minutes ago. Lavender and rosemary, both of those are going to do just absolutely incredible. Also, something that I actually told you guys a few months ago that I was not going to do is blueberry plants again. I was telling you guys I'm completely done with that. I'm not going to be doing any more plants like that. And well, guess what? I actually got 2 different varieties today. Very, very excited about that. I'm gonna be doing a lot more work with those, and the root structure on both of these feel a lot better than the other one. Also, I'm actually just now looking at this, and this looks like it's actually growing new roots. So that is pretty cool. Let's see if there's no more roots, but that is that. Let's go ahead and look over here too. Yep, nothing. So that's disappointing. I do think that one kind of just died off, which is just sad, but yeah. Then we have these plants, and I'm actually really starting to think these will start to flower, and that day will probably be in about 2 weeks. Up here, we have the biggest plant we actually are working on with right now. It is actually starting to get extremely tall. Just check out how long that is. So that's exciting. That is one of our cherry tomato plants. We will be growing a lot outside too. And then to end today's informational plant tour with the dying sugar peas. So I don't think these will flower. That was the original problem I had before with the last time I did this. But at the end of the day, all of these plants are really doing absolutely incredible. I am incredibly excited to start working with a lot of these plants and slowly start to get everything outside. We also started moving around some soil outside today too, so that is absolutely incredible. And yeah, so this is gonna be the end of the video. If you guys are wondering why I'm talking so fast and trying to get the video, like I'm actually, sounds like I'm rushing the video, which I kind of am, to be honest. The only reason why I've been doing that is because I've been in here for like 12 hours today, really working pretty hard to get everything moved around, get everything planted as best as possible. And I was actually at the store for a few hours, really trying to find the best varieties of stuff that I think you guys will like. And I think I'll be able to talk the most information about those specific plants too. So yeah, so this is gonna be the end of the video. If you guys like these types of videos, please subscribe, hit the notification on all so you not miss our video, and please like this video. I just want to say, especially this week and specifically, I'll be planting and germinating a lot more plants. So if you guys are excited for that, please subscribe. It's gonna get pretty expensive in the next few weeks. So just thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we post next. Peace.